So after we talked about the chemical structure of ethane, I want to talk about the Newman projections. In drawing conformations, we often use Newman projections, a way of drawing a molecule looking straight down a bond connecting two carbon atoms. As you see here in this figure below, the front carbon atom is represented by three lines, three bonds coming together in Y shape. So as you see here, we have the front carbon, is the black one is the front carbon, and the red circle with those three hydrogen showing the back carbon. So that's why we call it Newman projection. So as you see here, we have two different projections. One of them is Newman projection, the other one is called Sawhorse structures. In the first one, in Newman projection, as you see here, it keeps rotating and the theta is changing from 0 to 60 degrees, and this theta is changing all the time. The other one is Sawhorse structures. As you see here, we have eclipse when theta is 0, staggered when theta is 60, and anything else, anything in between.